Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to install apps on Apple TV. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watch on this video. For this first step is on your Apple TV, open the App Store. Here you can check out the best apps according to Apple in the Discover tab or head over any of other tabs to see apps, games, Apple Arcade games for Apple TV and more. Here head over to the search icon in the Apple TV. You can now type to search the app you want or press the hold mic icon in the Apple TV remote to dictate the app you in search for. In the example, we will search the install just watch. Once you have typed or spoken the name of the app, then select it from the results below. Press the middle button to remote open the app's app store page, then the click and get button. In case it app you previously downloaded, you will see the re-download icon instead, cloud with a down arrow icon. Your Apple TV might ask you to confirm your Apple ID and password before downloading the app. You can use your iPhone to enter the password easily. You can also use your iPhone to control your Apple TV as well. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below.